Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing fine. Now my FZS Yamaha FZS, which is 10 years old, is currently giving me a bumpy ride. Whenever I ride, even on plain surfaces, I feel the jerks. So it seems to me that the rear tire has got something to do with it. It seems to me that this portion of the tire, the middle portion, is a bit bulged, and that is what is causing the issue. Now I need to go to the shop to get it checked. So let's go to the shop and get it checked. Currently I have Apollo tires. Apollo brand is a well-known brand here in India, and it has served me well. So let's see if I can get this Apollo tire, this kind of exact same tire, and if so, then I need to change it. Well, I'm faced with another problem. The bike is not starting. The choke is pulled. Let me try again. Not sure what has happened. I can smell the fuel. Let me shut the petrol supply and let's see if that helps. Nope. Let me pull the choke again. Yep, that worked. That worked. So I need to open the petrol supply one more time. This is a learning that you can put the switch off, the ignition switch off, the engine switch rather, and then switch it back on and try. Yeah, that worked. Okay, so the update is the rear tire seems to be okay, but the front tire is worn out. That needs to be replaced. Okay, so the rim is being cleaned, which is good. This is the Polo 100 by 2017. Sorry, 100 by 8017. Nice grip. So this is the old one with no grip, almost the end of it, and this is the new one. You can make the difference. You can make out the difference. Model number. Okay, so it's done. Looks nice. Hopefully, it will last long. Alright, so I'm back home, and replacement of this tire cost me 2000 rupees. But the good thing is, as you saw it, they cleaned the rim before installing the new tire. The previous one, which was made by MRF, lasted 10 years. So I checked the manufacturing date printed on the tire. It was 2010, 2010, and this is 2024. So it lasted for uh, 10 years, 10 long years. Hopefully, the Apollo will last that long. I have intentions to keep the bike that long. Alright, so that's all about it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.